Oh well.
Welcome back, guys.
Bird house.
Clean freezer.
Come back today.
Bird house.
And it is open. So I am shocked. Now,
Good plans. Exercise bike.
Nice. Oh, bird cages, guys.
What am I missing? There you go. There's an egg in the spider's web.
But egg in the spider web. Wow.
There's eggs in there.
what's your like mental as well?
Oh, look at that.
I can't hear when you talk that. You've got a lathe. Oh, this was burnt out. Must have.
Oh, bloody hell. I think this is where they cut all the buds, guys, I think. I'm not actually sure, actually. Yeah. Bit of stuff.
A little bit too small for horses.
Dogs.
Goats.
Yeah. I would have thought goats more than anything. Yeah, I wouldn't think it would be still full anything. But yeah.
Piggy bowls.
Pygmy goat next. There we go, I was correct. Little goat one. We knew breed goats, didn't we? That's saying it. And these little tiny goats.
Little babies.
Goat farmer. Watch where you step on.
Keep the crawly hole up to the top, to the top.
Ooh. Shed over here, guys. Nice, look at that bath, guys. That's unusual for a bath.
Not as good as a Paranog, is it?
Look guys, snail cooker that we always seized.
Like a sit down bath.
Is the fly still in there? Used to be a lynch of flies used to come out.
Sit down bath. Kitchen. My food's good. I've got an Alger as well. Oh, they've got
Someone's actually pulled all this out.
This bit of Alger, a bit of let go. I've only ever seen a coral one.
Something's in here guys. Wow. I tell you about everything now guys. Little pans and pots in there. You got glass in there, just in case everything.
There's still in.
Oh, I got one glass, but
Should be everything still left in these. Yeah, it was fully. But someone's been here and been along.
done a rub. This one's actually quite nice, guys. It's got the doors and everything in there.
You're in Friday.
Not yet.
Just like a prefab sort of house. It's got like a weird roof on it.
Something. I will leave that. I definitely will leave that, guys. It's a bloody mattress in here. You got coat hangers over there. And then the ceiling piece is just like it's drying off the ceiling. No, I think it's like that's wallpaper over there. Bloody hell! You got curtains there. What Amber's showing. And you got usual one now. It's like being in prison. Look at it. Fucking metal bars. From the inside, it's like Harry Potter. Won't let him out. Madness, honestly. It's just madness, guys. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.